In this video we're gonna try to replace door sweep on Jeld Wen Front Door. As you can see here, it was an issue. The door sweep got damaged, possibly because of heavy or thick mat was here before, I'm not sure, but it's bad because now this cat likes to sit here and always smell outside, and there is always chance for bugs to come through. So we're gonna work on replacing this door sweep. I bought this door sweep from Amazon. Cost a bit more than the ones at Home Depot, but the ones at Home Depot, according to reviews, were not compatible with Jeld Wen Front Door. I also tried to order from Jeld Wen website, but they were out of stock. And you also need silicone to make sure there's a good tight fit between the door sweep and the door. I'm gonna start by removing anything that's on the door. And now I'll remove the door hinges. There are 3 total. I'll start from the middle one. Took a while, but it's a lot easier with a smaller screwdriver than something like this. Now I'm gonna loosen the top one. Now that all 3 are loosened, I'm gonna completely remove the bottom one first. Okay, one is out. Let's work on next one. Okay, now the last one. Okay, everything's out. Now I'm gonna try to put the door here on the table. Not sure how heavy it is. It was a bit heavy, but definitely doable. So here you could see the damage. So I'm gonna try to remove this old broken door sweep. It came off very easy. Now to compare with the new one. They do look very similar, almost identical. So let's see if you'll be able to just install it as easy as it was removing the old one. And it looks like that the opening is pretty much throughout the whole door. I believe some doors it stops here. Here it might be stopping like here. So maybe different door sweeps will work here. So let's push it in, see if it's gonna work. It worked easy. And it worked very good. It's even better than the original one, because now it's actually very tough to take it out. Even though the fit was very tight, I'm gonna add some silicone here to make sure it stays there better. And I thought about putting a couple nails in, but at least the ones I have are a bit too big. And if I were to try to put it on, I'm afraid I'll damage the rubber. So I'm not gonna put nails in this one. But as I said before, I will use clear silicone. My advice is don't put too much. I don't think it would look good if silicone will actually come out of here and get on a door. So don't put too much of the silicone. Put some here, then throughout the door sweep. And that should be good enough. Now I'm gonna put door sweep back on. I wish I had smaller head nails. I could have just put 2 just to make sure it stays tight. But at the same time, when I install the door, put in the hinges and it stays here for some time, This is gonna help keep the door sweep tight and get the silicone to dry and cure successfully. Now gonna be tough part. I'm gonna try to put the door on the hinges. That wasn't easy, but door is on its hinges and door sweep is still intact. Now I'm gonna secure each hinge. Okay, bottom two are secure. Now the last one here. Okay, it worked. It was tough to get to there with a hammer, so I just used this. Got on the hinge bolt and then hit a hammer right here. Don't hit with too much force though, because you could damage your ratchet. So overall it took probably 20 minutes or so, not bad at all. I'm gonna try not to use this door for a couple of hours just to get the silicone to cure properly. But just to show you here, it's working great. I even noticed my cat was walking by and he's not hanging out here anymore. If you have any questions, let me know. I try to respond as soon as I can. I'm gonna leave Amazon affiliate link to the door sweep at the bottom of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.